started rappelling out of Huey helicopters with an M16. What's up? This is Sal and Ray. We're here at Air Ride Equipment with another installment for you guys to check out. This one is a full installation on a 2002 BMW M3. She's right behind this thing. It's beautiful. Just beautiful condition. Anyways, what we want to focus on today is the air ride and explaining the way it works. We're doing the Airlift one-piece air struts on this kit, along with the Airlift 3P that we do, along with the 444C dual pack and aluminum tank. That's our recipe around here. Works really well. Let me start off with this front strut. So this is an Airlift one-piece strut for the BMW M3s, for this body style, for this series. And it comes with the full camber adjustment on the top of the strut. Now this camber plate allows you to do one of two things. One, it allows you to stay, the tire to stay upright at a 0 degree driving setting, if you will, your alignment, while on bags. So you can kind of compensate for that lower stance. Or what this plate allows you to do is add camber. You can actually increase the camber if that's a look that you're going for. Of course, all of these Airlift struts come with the dampening for the rebound and compression. This has a little knob that'll allow you to go from all the way to soft to really hard. That allows you to track the vehicle and things like that with the same one-piece air strut. So this is a sealed unit. We're never going to adjust the top part. We're just going to adjust the bottom part if we need to get the fitment right, the wheel and things like that. Anyways, that's the front. With the front, they're going to pair it with, let's see here, your extended. Is it longer or shorter? Let me see. Let's grab the stock one real quick. So here's the stock sway bar end link, and here's the new one. This one's a little bit longer, so when you're laid out, it's not binding that sway bar up against the body or any other suspension components. So there's your sway bar. The rear, we're already on the rear. Check this out. This bag and bracket is really fancy. Of course, the Airlift stuff comes with that anodized red look on all their stuff. And this bag is just super clean. It's going to drop right into place where the standalone coil spring sits next to the shock. But they're not going to leave you empty-handed with the shock. Let me see that shock. This shock is amazing. Ooh, I almost dropped it there. So this shock is pretty cool. Of course, it comes with all your normal stuff. In here is your bump stop. Your bump stop's going to be in there. Your dust cover. The upper part of your mount for the back, always anodized red, looks so good. And then, of course, the bottom is what we call a tapped or adjustable coilover style, where we can extend or shorten the length of the strut to match our desired drop by adjusting the bottom part of the strut of the shock. I'm sorry, got me a little tongue tied there. But you can see how simple this is. If you want to lay out at a certain height, you can make this longer or shorter, and it'll lay out at that height. That's all we're trying to say. All right, we're gonna let Sal get to work, and we'll be back with a test drive. We're gonna talk about the rear management kit in a little while. Stay tuned, and we'll show you some more. We're here with the M3 in the trunk, and I just wanted to show you guys the way these trunk kits go together real quick. Sal, go ahead and lift up the top board and show them underneath. Underneath, we're going to lay black material down on the very bottom. That's going to give it a clean underlook. Of course, we have lighting that we've added. It's right behind my hand right here, a strip of lighting. A lighting that you don't see through the window, of course. Also, you have to build the whole frame. The frame is so that we can have an even platform for the wood and somewhere for the what we call a false floor, somewhere for the hidden compartment underneath. All right, set it on down there. Now what you can see is we've got the plexiglass already done and the trim around the cutout. Sal's gonna finish up the trunk, and this thing's gonna be ready to go. right, that concludes this episode on the BMW, the 2002 M3. Don't forget to like and subscribe. What else? If you want to buy this kit, the exact kit that you just saw, click the link below. See you guys next time.